How to get 3 free items on Temu. So if you want to get free items on your Temu, then first you can open up your Temu application, or you can also go with your browser and then search for Temu. Go with www.temu.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. And once you've logged in, you need to just go with the profile, which is on the top right. From the profile, you can go with coupons and offers, or you may also have an option of earn credits and free gifts. So you just need simply go with that option, and from here you can either go with your coupon code, or if you scroll down, then you will have an option to earn your free credits, or you will also receive an invitation on your screen to receive 3 free gifts. So if you've received the invitation, then you can go with the notification section, or if you've not received, then you won't be able to get the free item. But if you've received the invitation, you can go and accept it and then scan the QR code with your phone to receive the free gifts. Or under your coupons and offers, you will have some offers available, but for now I don't have any offers. But if you have any offers, you can go and select the offer like free delivery or free items and order those free items. Or you may also receive some giveaways. Make sure that you're active on Temu so that you will be able to use those giveaways. Or you'll also receive some free gifts or some free tries by spinning a wheel, or after receiving some points you will get some free items, or you will get some discounts, and that way you'll be able to receive some free items. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.